Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to make a ground beef casserole. Now I have a pot here boiling. Just going to add some salt. And this is what I'm going to use, these shells. So I'm going to make about 2 cups of shells. Now I may not use the whole 2 cups, but I'm going to make enough just so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we have, now this is avocado oil. Just about 2 tablespoons. And I have here 1 onion, half of a red bell pepper, 1 stalk of celery, half of a green bell pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. Kitchen is smelling good already. Now I'm not gonna just go ahead and cook this. Now I'm gonna add my meat in here. This is just about 1 pound of ground beef. Get this all mixed up. Because we really want to cook this down. I want to make sure that it's fully cooked. To the meat, we're going to add a tablespoon of meat seasoning, a teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're going to add just about a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now my stove is down to medium. Because we want to cook this down completely. I'm gonna add a small can of tomato sauce. And 1 tablespoon, a heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Looking good already. Nice color. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of sugar just to cut down on the tomato. That harshness of the tomato sauce and paste. Now we're gonna cover this. Sorry. And let this cook for at least 2 minutes. And like I said, this is the pasta that I'm using. It says to cook it between 11 and 12 minutes, but I always cook it for 8 minutes. That way I get it at a good al dente style. So now my meat is fully cooked. Yeah, it just needed a couple of minutes to really cook it. And my pasta is finished. This is the whole 2 cups, guys. I'm gonna use the whole 2 cups. Wow. This looks so delicious. Guys, when you make this, you're not gonna believe the taste, the flavor, everything. You wanna make sure it's fully incorporated. You want every shell to have meat in it. Now, we're gonna add some cheese in here. You know we have to make it delicious. Cheese it up. And then I have a 9 by 13 dish here that I'm gonna pack it in. And we're gonna put this in the oven 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes. There we go. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360, guys. Always a pleasure. Gonna add some cheese on top. And you're gonna cook it, like I said, 375, 15 to 20 minutes. Covered or uncovered doesn't make a difference, but I would cover it up. There we go. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360. See you guys when it's done.